In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check product weight on Taobao 2025, step by step. Knowing a product's weight on Taobao is essential for estimating shipping costs, comparing options, and making sure the item suits your needs. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it on both the app and the website, and I'll share a few simple tips to read the information correctly. Start by opening Taobao, either in your browser or in the mobile app, and sign into your account so you can view full product details. Use the search bar to find the item you're interested in. You can type a product name, paste a link you've saved, or use simple keywords if you're browsing. Once you see the item in the results, tap or click on it to open the product page. This brings you to the main listing with images, price, variations like size or color, and the detailed information we need. Now scroll down the product page until you reach the description area. On mobile, this is usually just below the images and reviews. On desktop, you may see tabs such as details or specifications. Switch to those if needed. You're looking for a section that lists key data points. Common labels include product specifications, item weight, package weight, and size or dimensions. If you see a long table or a list of attributes, that's exactly where the weight is typically shown. Suppliers usually list weight in grams or kilograms. For quick reference, 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. If the listing says 500 g, that's half a kilogram. If it says 1.2 kil, that's 1 kilogram and 200 grams. Item weight is the weight of the product itself, while package weight includes the box, padding, and any accessories. For shipping estimates, package weight is the more realistic number because carriers charge based on what the parcel actually weighs. If both values are shown, prioritize the package weight. If only the item weight is listed, remember that the final shipping weight may be a bit higher due to packaging. Keep an eye on variations. Selecting a different size, material, or bundle can change the weight, and the specification section may update after you pick your options. If you don't immediately see the weight, continue scrolling. Some sellers place it inside the detailed description images or near the technical specs table. Dimensions can also help you anticipate whether the package weight will exceed the item weight by a noticeable amount. That's it. Open the product page, scroll to the details, and read the specifications for item weight and package weight. With these small checks, you'll avoid surprises at checkout and choose the option that fits your budget and shipping plan.